Mizoram MLA election sang hi som pariata candidate te kanin chhozela tuna hianin district tober siha district candidate te kan enanga constituency number somthum pakwana saiha constituency hi constituency ming hi election commission ina a record dan ania tuna siha tiang min thlak ne to ma sela election commission a chuanin saiha constituency ti in ala omni in alanga chutiang chuanin kan da ani heta hianin candidate pali an oma chungte chu Dr. K Bechua YP True siha cheng ni a MNF party ayo ni in achin chena chu RC ani a S heto New Saiha West a cheng ani a Congress ayo ni in achin chena chu utpha ani S vadu council vai siha cheng BJP ayo ni in achin chena chu lotas ani F thang chua New Saiha West siha cheng hi independent in adinga ZPM tenan thlopa achin chena chu lukhum par ani constituency topna palak constituency number somlina palak a hianin candidate pali an oma M Chakhu New Colony 1 siha cheng hi MNF ayo ni in achin chena chu RC ani a hi phei New Siha West True siha cheng hi BJP ayo ni in achin chena chu lotas ani a KT Rokho hun thar aizola cheng hi Congress ayo ni in achin chena chu kutpha ani a esatlu college vai True siha cheng hi independent di in achin chena chu long ani